Okay, good evening, all of you. So today I'm going to show you how to activate professional console in Rule Buddy service portal and how to install Auto DCR software to self-scrutinize your drawing and check all the bylaws and regulations. So first of all, you have to register with BBMP. After that, you can apply through BBMP portal to Rule Buddy service portal. So first log in to BBMP portal here. So this is the professional consoles. So you can get activate now option from here. So click on activate now. So page will redirect to Real Buddy portals. So here you can get the payment details. So you have to pay one-time fees for download Auto DCR software. So click on pay now, then select bill X, then click on pay option, pay. Okay.
What I am saying, when you making payment, you have to select there Beam UPI, scan QR code. When you scan QR code, you get link in your Google payment, bill desk, bill desk link there in business and bill option. And
Here payment status paid. Click on button.
is paid there.
Yes, yes. So through
Okay,
Google Pay.
proceed.
Yes, 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 yes.
You
Proceed.
get the key there.
Activation key for BBMP. So copy this activation key and click here. Download now. Plan check tools to download the auto. So now Auto DCR software is downloading.
Prajita, you can copy it later, na? You can
Yeah.
also copy it later once
Yeah,
you
yeah.
complete installation
Yeah.
process and generate or generate key by Auto DCR key generator.
Yeah.
You can again go there in view info option and select the key from there.
Yeah. So it's downloaded. Go to location. Then extract this zip file. Okay, it's up. So to install Auto DCR, double click on this setup file. Then click on next button. Click on yes button. Then select typical and click on next button. Again next. 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 So it's installing. Again click on next button. Then click on I accept the term in the license agreement. Then click on next. Type here organization name as BBMP. BBMP. Then select next. Then click on install button. Then finish. Again click on finish button. So now go to your console. See here, this status activate now, change into view info. So go to your draft application. Now you can create your project. So I have already described you how to create project and how to create applications. So go to your project, select your project, go to drawing, attach your drawing to scrutinize your drawing, attach your file.
Aparajita.
Yeah. Now here you can get the download auto DCR key generator option. So download auto DCR key by single click. Then again go to folder location.
This is auto DCR key, and previously we generated the rule body key to run scrutiny process at applicant machine. So we require both mandatory.
That key generator.
Cut out at different place and extract.
Okay.
Cut it, paste at different place and extract there. You can get early. This folder is not this folder.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Here. So
Okay, you paste
install
there
this
now.
key. Install this key by double click. Then click. Sorry. Select everyone. Then click on next button. Select everyone. then next, again next. Then click on close button. So this auto DCR key icon will be show on desktop. Go to desktop. Here, this one is auto DCR key. So click on auto DCR key. Then from the drop down, select auto DCR. From the drop down, select auto DCR. Then click on generate key. So registry created successfully. Click on OK button. So now you can use and always open Chrome as a run as administration. So now you can run your drawing. Open URL dot auto hotkey. Okay. So you can, yes. 1 minute. Go to rule buddy.
Copy. You can copy all
Okay,
that.
you have
All
written. You can.
here.
Okay. Then click on proceed button. So now your console has activated with rule buddy and AutoDIS are also installed. So now you can check your drawing. You can check all the regulations and bylaws. Thank you.
Continue by clicking on OK button. Okay.
Okay.
Once you
OK.
click on OK button, it will be proceed for auto DCR now.
Load. So now file
Because there is
successfully.
three phase now. Because there is three phase. First is running scrutiny. Second one is generating PDF, And third one is rule body payment. Again, you if your file is large.
Again, okay. Now you can close this AutoCAD. So click on yes button. Have you completed your scrutiny? So now you can see your scrutiny report by click on view button. You can check your report.
Once you check from here, you can proceed for the next.
Yeah, if all the zoning regulation and bylaws has passed for this drawing, so you can proceed for print PDF process.
Otherwise, you can run again by attaching your drawing, making some correction if you require there.
Click on proceed button to print PDF process.
Because we are recording the complete session, so it will be complete process from start to end, from installation to run scrutiny process in till last.
You can, if you have only one AutoCAD setup, then you can set AutoCAD for 2014 as a default. So click on set AutoCAD default, then click on OK. Then this version is will not asking for further process.
Next time it will not ask to select the auto DCR version, in which version you want to run. I think there is one checkbox in pop-up window, display status in last. We have to uncheck that. तो वो फिर next time के लिए नहीं पूछता.
Click on yes button.
Drawing PDF will prepare.
Okay, select auto. You can select automatically also. Select automatic. Select all the site plans, use, sub-use, FAR. Select by single click.
Now the process is same as
Then select
as
paper
per the
one.
previous auto.
Then select this arrow button to move this. Then select type of entries. From type of entries, blocks. Yes. Select all the blocks. Then select paper one. Then move. Then click on OK button. Place all the blocks and summaries by single click. Just click on the screen. Select scale OK. Then place all the blocks by single click. Click on OK button. Click on no button. Do you want to convert? Okay, now you can arrange your sheet by just select the blocks and move. Yes, you can arrange your sheet. So after no, some table is. So after arranging the sheet, click on here PDF converter. Click on this PDF. Hello. Right.
Yes, Aparajita, you asking to me?
No, no, no. Yes, now click on yes button. So now CAD drawing is converting to PDF. It's converted. You can cross this one. Go to AutoCAD. File successfully sent to server. Click on OK. Deleting printing layout. OK. You can close AutoCAD and then go to your home page. Click on yes button. Have you created drawing PDF? Yes. So now here you can see the your generated PDF. I click on view button. Okay, now go to drawing tab. So for further process, you have to click on confirm. So drawing finalized successfully. Click on OK button. And your drawing lies between B1 risk category. So it is free for scrutiny fee. So you can check of rule body. Yeah, risk category between B2 to B5, you have to pay some amount for rule body. So the for B, according to your plot size. So only for B1 risk category, it is free for rule body scrutiny fee. So now you can check out this drawing to submit this application to BBMP. Thank you.
Submit this drawing. Okay, click on checkout. We can submit the drawing finally in our system.
Click on checkout. Click on yes.
Okay.
So now your drawing has finalized to submit BBMP.
There is e-sign option on drawing PDF. Once you created your PDF successfully and made payment to RuleBuddy, you can e-sign on your drawing.
Click on e-sign drawing PDF to sign on the PDF.
First of all, we have to attach the image, signature image there. First, we have to attach the signature image there.